Hey, welcome back everybody to Everyday Off-Road. I'm Mike, and as promised, headlight assembly time. We're going to be mounting them today. Unlike the original mounting, which has one screw, we need to drill 2 holes per side to mount these. One is an actual mounting hole, and one is to access the adjuster. So, without further ado, let's say we get into it. With our old lights removed carefully, save all your hardware. I tucked the bulbs and wiring back in for now till we get this all squared away and they come back out. There's not a lot of room back there. If you can easily take your air box out, do it. There should be no need to remove your old adjusters. They should not be in the way. Hooks there. But make sure all the plastic pieces are off. I did not see that when I removed this, but yes, the slider or the adjuster was still on there. Okay, now like I said before, it hooks in right there by the grill and there. Now normally you put that screw in and it's supposed to be called good. Let me show you what happens when you put just that screw in. There it is. Floppy as can be. Looks like crap, don't it? Also, let's bring you around this side here. Yeah, how crappy that fits. That should actually be up there. That is where the other hole comes in handy. Now, there are many different ways you can transfer the whole pattern that you need over to the back. I have found that using clay, or in my case, plumber's putty, on that here we give you a good shot. That right there. You need to transfer that hole in there. I have done so previously. Now, one of the main problems right now I'm going to have is going to be accessing the adjuster. So, let me go get my plumber's putty and we'll transfer that over. You make a small cone of plumber's putty and put a dab of grease on the end. Oh, let me get this back in the frame. A little cone of plumber's putty and a dab of grease on the end. You install this and it will transfer your mark over. Now, all we need to do, get our drill out, drill through the header panel, through the radiator support, into nothing else, and we should be good to go. And of course, before you do any drilling, check to see what's behind there. Right now, got the vent for the evap canister, which is easily enough moved. Whew. On the hole that you're going to be drilling for your adjustment screw, you need to make it as big as you can. For the mounting hole, you want just enough to clear the screw. Okay, I remove the marker. All right, there we go. I'm not gonna lie to you. that was a mother. I had to use the long screw. It usually goes in here, and use a zip tie, push through the hole into the housing, so when I pushed it up, things would line up. And I put the screw in. It was like a carnival game, but I got it. Now, with that screw in, you see how nice and tight that is. Let's bring you around here to the side. Now, there is a bit of a gap up here, but I can deal with it. Not much I can do with that. I can loosen the screw up and pull up. One slight oversight. I neglected to put the LEDs in. Do I want to do that now? Not really, because I'm tired. This thing kicked my butt. You don't realize a couple of seconds that I was away was about an hour to get this thing lined up. I'm not going to kid you. These are a real pain. And you know what? I'm not into it. I really don't care for these anymore. I'd sooner spend the money and get new assemblies. Here we go. So, what can we take away from this? Well, first off, don't be a cheap bastard. You want to upgrade? Well, you're going to have to pay to play. Don't get the cheap Chinese junk, and you won't have these problems. So, guess we'll call this the end of the videos. If you liked the video, hey, give us a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, do me the favor and subscribe to my channel. Every little bit helps. While you're down there subscribing, hit the bell. That'll give you a notification every time I post new content here on Everyday Off-Road. And as always, if you have anything to say, comments, questions, concerns, criticisms, leave them in the comment box below. So, for Double D, Jeep, I'm Mike. We'll catch you guys on the next one. There you go. It's in. Worth it? Oh, hell no.